Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where for some reason your Samsung Galaxy Watch is just not powering on or it's just not turning on. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I would recommend looking at is making sure that your specific watch actually has power. You would not have any idea how often simply just powering on and just charging up your watch can pretty much fix these issues. In my experience, this is something that I've probably ran into a lot in my lifetime, and in my opinion, I would probably recommend just making sure your watch is charged, either connecting it to the actual charger itself or wirelessly power sharing it from another Samsung device and charging up your watch that way. Like I mentioned, in my experience, that's pretty much what fixes it for me, and it's probably going to fix it for you as well. If you do that and it's still not working, the next thing I'd recommend doing is going through and actually clicking and holding down this power on button for a couple of seconds. So if I were to go ahead and power off my watch like so if I click here, if I go and click turn off, if I go ahead and wait a second, and if I go and hold down this button up here, it will allow me to pretty much power on my watch as long as it was charged. It was not, if it wasn't charged and there was just no power in it, that's pretty much the main problem. So you want to go ahead and hold down this button for as long as possible and wait until you get into that Samsung Galaxy page. If you see the Samsung page, then you're pretty much good to go. If you still don't see it, I would recommend charging your watch as you're clicking that and holding down that power button. As long as you're doing that, that's pretty much the main way to do it. Now, there's another issue where, for some reason you dropped your watch recently or you hit it against something really hard or you dropped it in a bunch of water for some reason. A lot of these things have IP certification and they're water resistant, but they're not completely 100% waterproof. And, there's a lot of water. If you drop it in like the bottom of the river, it could possibly get broken there too. So if you recently did something like that, that may be the issue. So keep that in mind. If your watch is still not working, I'd probably recommend contacting Samsung and having them take a look at your watch. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.